Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a Zoom app shortcut on your PC or laptop. Having quick access to Zoom right from your desktop can save you valuable time, especially when you need to join meetings quickly or start calls without navigating through multiple menus. Let's start by clicking the Windows key button on your keyboard, or you can simply click the Start button located at the bottom left corner of your screen. This will open up your Start menu where you can access various apps and settings on your computer. Once the Start menu is open, you'll notice a search bar at the top. Go ahead and type Zoom into this search bar. Your computer will immediately begin searching for the Zoom application. When the Zoom app appears in the search results, don't click on it just yet. Instead, right-click directly on the Zoom app. This action will bring up a context menu with several options for you to choose from. From this menu, select Open File Location. This step is important because it takes you directly to the folder where the Zoom application is actually stored on your computer, giving you access to create shortcuts and manage the app more effectively. A new window will now open showing you the folder containing the Zoom application. You should see the Zoom icon right there in the folder. Right-click on the Zoom icon to bring up another context menu. This is where we'll access the options needed to create our desktop shortcut. In the menu that appears, click on Show More Options. This expands the context menu to reveal additional choices that aren't immediately visible in the simplified Windows 11 menu. Once the expanded menu appears, look for and navigate to the option labeled Send To. Hover your mouse over it and you'll see a submenu appear with various destinations where you can send or create shortcuts for the application. From this submenu, click on Desktop Create Shortcut. This action tells Windows to automatically generate a shortcut icon for Zoom and place it directly on your desktop for easy access. The system will process this request almost instantly. Now, minimize or close all your open windows and return to your desktop. You should now see a new icon labeled Zoom-Shortcut sitting right there on your desktop. This shortcut provides instant access to the Zoom application whenever you need it without having to search through your Start menu or program files. And there you have it. You've successfully created a Zoom shortcut on your desktop, making it much easier to launch the app whenever you need to join or host meetings. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.